Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the Tooltip Macro. If you want to add helpful explanations inside your Confluence pages, without adding extra paragraphs or clutter, this macro is the easiest way to do it. It adds a small info icon right inside your text. Users can hover to see the tooltip to reveal the same message. Here's the problem. Documentation often needs small clarifications, definition, abbreviations, or what does this mean? Notes. But if you write every explanation directly on the page becomes noisy and hard to scan. And if you remove those clarifications completely, new users get stuck. So instead of adding more text, we'll attach helpful context exactly where it's needed, using a tooltip.
Now let's set one up. Insert it, add the tooltip text, and publish.
Step 1. Insert the Tooltip macro. Open the page where you want the inline hint and click Edit. Click Insert plus, search for Tooltip, and insert it exactly where you want the icon to appear, usually right next to a word or phrase. Step 2. Configure the Tooltip text. In the Configuration panel, go to Content and set the title. This is the text users will see when they hover the icon. Now, let's save and test it like a real user. Update plus final result. Click Update or Publish. In View mode, you'll see the small info icon directly inside your content. Hover over it to see the tooltip message immediately. No extra scrolling and no extra sections added to the page. So your page stays clean and readable, but the help is still right there where users need it. That's it for the Tooltip macro, an easy way to add contextual hints without cluttering your Confluence pages. See you in the next video.